Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can link your Wix domain with the GoHighLevel in a simple step, and also I will guide you how you can utilize it for dedicated email system and for your white label domain, and also you can use it to your main domain as well for your funnels and for your websites. It's a simple process. I just guide you in a step by step. So let me dive in video without wasting time. And after that I just go to in GoHighLevel, log in into GoHighLevel. I just go to setting, and after the setting here we have domain section. Okay, and after the domain I just log in into my Wix dashboard, and here we are in a Wix dashboard. I just go to the home, and here you can see we have manage domain. Just simply click on a manage domain. So that's my domain that I am going to link with GoHighLevel, but not exact. I'm going to link with the subdomain. I just copy this domain, put here, and I will say connect domain and GoHighLevel. And after that I just connect domain, put my domain, and here say reply, or we can say link dot whatever your domain is. I just simply say continue, and we need to add manual record here. We'll add record, and we need to add just one record here. That's a C record, C name. I just simply copy this, and I just go back here, and when I reached here, so simply what you need to do, just simply you see three dot here and click on it, and you can manage record. And after the manage record, and here you can see here is a C name, so we can simply go here and I just copy link here and put value here. That's the value, and normally it's a 1 or 30 minutes is up to you, but I just going to save it and going to save it this. So here we have these C records. So after that I just go here and just verify it. It will take few seconds, and after that it will be live. So right now we have domain here, and we need to just link with wherever we want to link. It's not loading here, we need to refresh this. Yeah, right now you can see we have domain here, so we can link with funnels, with websites, and wherever you want to use. Another thing is that I just go to our dedicated domains. So I just go to the email services, and super easy, same procedure. Just add your dedicated domain here. That's the most important for delivering your emails to inbox without going to spam. You need to must link your dedicated domain. I just click on it, and after that what I need to do, I simply just add domain, and in my case I'm going to do is reply dot my domain. I just paste this one. It's up to you, you can add your domain whatever your domain is. And after that I just right click and verify. I just say we will do manual, and we need to put all these record here. Like for example, you want to add MX record, so here we can found MX record. Yeah, here you can see we have MX record. You can just connect to the business email, and you can put your MX record here. And same here, if you want to add other records, just go here, A record you can add here, C name you can add here, and also you want to record TXT you can add here. So that's how you can link your Wix domain with the GoHighLevel. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any GoHighLevel services, or if you have any confusion, just go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call, and I will guide you step by step how you can implement your domain from Wix, from Shopify, wherever your domain exists. Link with GoHighLevel, and you can make more deliverable your SMS messages and also emails as well, and you can make your funnels more prompting and converting. Thank you so much for watching this video.